Welcome to Android tutorial for beginner. Today I will show how to create Android emulator. So what is Android emulator? Android emulator need for run the Android apps in virtual device in your computer or laptop. This is the built-in Android Studio virtual device. So now I will show how we can create the emulator for run Android apps. So here you will here is the Android Studio, and you will see the icon Android ADB Manager, Android virtual device. So here is the list of emulator I have created earlier. Here you will see the create virtual device, and here is the list of all devices and size. Also resolution and density is defined, so we can get the we can choose the any size. Nexus 4 4.7 inch is resolution is 760 or 820, or we can take another Nexus 1 3.7 inch 480 into 800. So click the virtual device Nexus 1, and then click the next button. Here you will see the FA version released the Marshmallow, and is FA 23, and it's for Android 6.0. Click the FA level 23 and then click the next button. Here is the name of ADB. We can change the name Nexus virtual device. Nexus virtual device. You can set any name, and then you click the finish button. So our emulator is also created. Here is the Nexus virtual device, resolution 480 by 800 and FA level 23, and target version Android 6.0. Now we will run our apps to this emulator. We want to now we can run our project. Select the run button of Android Studio. Here is the all emulator we have created. Last time we have created the Nexus virtual device. Click the Nexus virtual device emulator and click the OK button. This emulator size is too much large, so for why it's showing the horizontally. So our project is running. So here is the our emulator, and this app run in this emulator. We can choose the any kind of emulator. Here is this emulator create the last time, and we now we can run in another emulator. It's new to emulator. Click OK. This can run again. So this is another one emulator. This is small size. So our main target is done, because we have planned to create the emulator. Here is the we have our apps run to this emulator. So we can go through again. This is Android Studio, and you will see the EDB manager. Click the mouse here. EDB manager. Here is the list of emulator. When you click the new emulator and click the new virtual device. After create the new virtual device, then all virtual device list will be here. When you run, click the run button and choose the your created emulator. Then click the OK button. Then your app will be run in your target emulator. Thank you.